Hey guys, so recently it was my 31st birthday, so today we're going to do a little birthday haul. I know that hauls aren't for everyone, some people don't like watching them. If you don't, then that is fine, feel free to click off now. But for those of you who do want to see what I got, we are just going to get straight into it. So I'm going to start on the sweets, chocolates, drinks, that kind of thing. If you saw my Christmas haul, you will have seen I got so many chocolates and sweets and gins. I am not even halfway through those yet, so this is just gonna add to that pile because I got loads this time too. So first of all, I got a little tub of candy floss. I know some countries call this cotton candy. In the UK it is usually called candy floss. So just a little blue bucket of that. Next I got another one of these little mystery food kind of boxes called International Yummies. I did get one of these for Christmas. I think this one is a different one though. It does have some of the things that you get on the back here, but I've not opened it yet, so there is loads of different stuff from other countries in there. Next I got this little mini pick and mix American box. So it's just got like little tiny versions of like Sour Patch Kids, this little Warheads sour thing, some Laffy Taffy, little burger, some Airheads, oh, throwing stuff around, popping candy, just loads of little mini American sweets in there. Then I got some seashells. I absolutely love seashells, one of my favorite chocolates in the whole world. If you haven't had these before, they are like a milk and white kind of outside chocolate, and then inside it's like a hazelnutty cream kind of stuff. So good, absolutely love them. Then I got some little rainbow nerds. I think these do come from America, but they do also sell them now here in the UK. But a cinema kind of box of those. Then on my actual birthday we went into town to like go to the cinema and stuff, and while we was there we went to the lint shop. So I ended up getting some little like Lindor lint balls. I got all of the ones that I've never tried before. So in here there is like mango, pistachio, I don't know, like cherry, ones with hazelnut in the middle, popcorn flavour, loads of weird different flavoured ones that they don't usually sell. I just got one of each of them. This little tiny bag came to like £7 or something, ridiculous, but I just thought it would be nice to try the ones that I've never had before. I got a cute little heart-shaped box of Ferrero Rocher, however you want to say it. These, again, one of my favourite chocolates, absolutely love them. They're covered in little hazelnut chips and they have a whole hazelnut in the middle. So if you like hazelnuts, you'll probably love these. I got some cherry Twizzlers, love Twizzlers. Again, they don't sell these here usually in the UK. These are an American thing, but we have them in like American sweet shops over here, so love Twizzlers. Same with the next two, I think they also came from the American sweet shop. We've got Jolly Rancher Bites. They look like they're going to be fizzy. One is watermelon with green apple and one is cherry and orange. So we have those. I've got two Laffy Taffy grape bars, love these. I actually prefer these like fatter bars over the thinner bars because these I feel are more sour usually. So got two of those. I got some of these which I've already started eating. These are Rainbow Tornadoes. They're like little straws, I guess you could say, that are rainbow coloured, and they have like a soft centre to them. Then I've got two alcohols. So the first one is called Terrace Raspberry, or Terrace Raspberry. This one is a raspberry crush liqueur, apparently. I've never had this before, but it looks like it's going to be pretty good though. Honestly, I don't really drink that much alcohol. I get given a lot as gifts, but they end up taking me like a good couple of years to finish most of them. But it is always nice to have different ones though. So this one is a raspberry crush liqueur. And then the other one I have, you've probably seen this before if you've watched my hauls before. This one is a unicorn gin. So it's super shimmery and pink. And I mix this with lemonade. I absolutely hate tonic water. I think it's gross. These are usually like a marshmallow or a candy floss kind of flavour, these unicorn ones. So this with lemonade is really nice. So we have that one. And then we get onto the presents that aren't sweets or chocolates or drinks. So the first thing I've got, if you saw my Christmas haul, you might even be able to see it a little bit here in the background. I got a picture which is made from a real cobweb. This time we got a real snake skin. So I'm gonna assume this is just its shed. I don't think it's actually like harmed any snake to get it or anything like that. It's just like a little snake skin in a print, so that is going to go up on our creepy wall up there. Then next, one of our friends actually had this made for us, which is so cute. When we went to Paris on holiday, we took this picture and they got it made onto like a little canvas. So this is my boyfriend, obviously, and this is me. This is the Eiffel Tower up here. They like enhanced the picture and got it printed, so that is super, super cute. Not sure where that's going to go yet, but I will hang that somewhere in the house, obviously. Next, I got some little figures. So if you saw my recent horror room video, these are probably going to end up in there. So the first one is this little Sally one. This is so cute. I have never seen this like brand or anything before, but recently they brought these out in Asda in the UK. So if this is something that you're into, this just came from Asda. They also have a Jack and a Zero one that I've seen. She's got like little pumpkins down here. She's got a little black cat at her feet. In her basket there's like a little fish bones. It's all super, super detailed. The box is really pretty with bats and skulls and stuff. So yeah, this is a little Sally figure that I got. Very, very cute. And I actually got another little Nightmare Before Christmas figure as well. I'm not going to get this one out because it's covered in styrofoam and it's going to go everywhere. But this is a Disney Showcase collection from Miss Mindy. I have seen her stuff before. It's very like pop arty. This is a tiny little picture of what the figure looks like. So it's just a little Jack and Sally. Hopefully you can see that. So that is what is in this box. And then I got 3 Funko Pops. So 2 of them I bought myself while we were in town for our birthdays, and the other one was a gift. So the first one I got was this one. Every time I've seen this one I've always passed him by because he's a little bit cheesy, but he was in the sale for like £5, so I just had to get him. He's a Frightkins Skitterina. It's kind of like a little devil-y sort of thing, like a little Baphomet. The box isn't perfect. It has like scratches and stuff down here, but I've put it in one of these protectors anyway. Sorry my light is annoying. I know it keeps shining on everything, but this is a special edition one. I also now need to find this little bat one because he is so cute. But that is the first one. Next, I got a Sword in the Stone Madam Mim. I couldn't resist myself. She just looks so creepy. It's Madam Mim in the pig form. This is a Funko 2021 Wondrous Convention limited edition, apparently. And it doesn't look like there's any more in this collection with her. It's just her on her own. So that is Madam Mim. And then my boyfriend got me this one. He got me a little Maleficent. There is loads of other villains that you can get, like Cruella and stuff. So, so cute. This is what Maleficent looks like. She's got her little crow down here, which is adorable. So that is that one. Then next I got some little makeup bits. So my friend got me these 3 eyeliner stamps. I always have a little star up here, so that is what these are. It's like a stamp. So she got me a heart, a moon and another star one. I have no idea where these come from. Usually I just buy mine on eBay, so that could be where these are from, but just little different designs. So the next thing is one of the things that I got for myself with like birthday money and stuff. In one of my recent videos, one of my subscribers commented and said that P. Louise does like a grape lip gloss or lip oil or something like that. So I immediately went on there because I love grape and they do these little box sets. So in here you get 1 lip conditioner and 1 lip oil. For one of these it's I think like £23 plus postage, but for 3 of them it's £25. When you get 3, it's a mystery. So what I did is I got 3 and none of them were anything that I wanted, so I sold them on and I got another 3. And these 3 I am keeping because I love them, but I'm still gonna get another 3 because I'm trying to get grape in the mystery. So far I have pineapple, cherry and French vanilla. These are amazing. I absolutely love them. So whoever suggested these to me, thank you very much. I am obsessed. They're so pretty. I will quickly show you what they look like just in case anyone is interested. Inside you get 2, like I said. So this is the cherry one that I've just randomly opened. So this is the lip conditioner. It comes with a little keychain on it in case you want to attach it to your keys. It just looks like this, and the end of it looks like that. And then for the lip oil, it looks like this. They all have different colours, but it's kind of like a clear oil anyway when it's on your lips, so you can't really tell, but these smell amazing, they taste amazing, they feel so soft on your lips. So if anyone is curious, P. Louise is where these come from. And like I said, 3 little mystery flavours for like £25 is amazing, so love those. Next, to go with the snakeskin and the little web print that we have up here, I also got a little keyring. I'm assuming it's from the same person again. And it's just a little web in a keyring. So I did learn how they do this. Apparently they spray a spider web with paint and then like push paper into it. So it is technically a real web in there, but it's like got paint on it, if that makes sense. So there is that. Next, I got a little voodoo doll. Now, don't worry, I'm not going to use this on anyone, obviously. It is just going to be for, like, display purposes. But it says you put a little photo of the person up here if you were using it. And then it's got little pins in it, and it says different things over it to do different things. So, for example, baldness, aging, constipation, deeply lonely life, boils and acne, stuff like that. So that is a little voodoo doll that I got. Next, I got 2 little things from Killstar. So the first one is a little like washi tape or craft tape. It's got bats and skulls on it, I think. I've not even opened it properly yet, so I will show you what it looks like. Yeah, so it's a black tape and it's got bats, skulls and little tiny stars on there. It's just a little mini roll like this. And the other thing I got is these. Now I've seen these on the website before and I didn't think that they looked that great, but in person these are so cute. They're way bigger than I expected. They're like little paper clips with toppers on them. So we've got a bat, a skull and a pumpkin. These are really big, as you can see. Obviously you probably wouldn't want to put them on like things at work because you might lose them, but these would be the cutest little bookmarks. That's what I'm going to use them for. So these are bat, skull and pumpkin little paper clips from Killstar. And then I've just got a couple more things to show. So the first one is a cute little bunny keyring or keychain. My boyfriend thinks that this looks like Chili Our Rabbit, so that is why he got me this. It's got like one of these clip keyrings and then one of the circle ones at the top. And it's just a little grey bunny with green cheeks. He is very, very cute. And he also got me this little sleep mask. So this is like a black cat with a white tail. And I think it's got a jelly stuff in here because it says you can place it in the fridge or in warm water to like make a hot or a cold compress. So it must have a thing inside that you can like take out. So that is a cute little fluffy eye mask. Then next I got a t-shirt. So this is black with white arms and it's got Beetlejuice on it. It says Ghost with the Most, and then at the bottom it says The Afterlife's Leading Bioexorcist. So that is that. And then the very last thing I got is a poster. Now I actually bought this exact same one for my boyfriend because it's his birthday 2 days later and I had to return it because he'd bought it for me. This is a scratch poster and it's horror movies. So basically it's loads of squares. I think there's like 100 squares or something like that on this poster. So you like scratch them off and watch that horror movie. So it says, think you know horror movies? This poster features 100 classics and each has its own unique graphic. Scratch them off and watch them until you've seen them all. So we have seen a lot of these, obviously. It's got like Halloween on there and Texas Chainsaw and stuff like that. But we wanted to just go through them all again. So we're probably going to start from the top and work our way down in sequence and just watch every single movie on this little horror scratch poster. So yeah, that was everything that I got for my birthday, along with these pretty flowers too. Hopefully you can see them in the background. There is these ones and these ones. And I also got my back tattooed as well with any money that I got off people in cards and stuff. I used it to get a back tattoo. I'm not going to post it here because it isn't finished yet, but if you follow me on Instagram you might have seen it the other day. When it is finished, obviously I will show you guys on here. I'm going to do like an updated tattoo video. But yeah, you'll have to let me know what your favourite thing was that I got, and I hope you liked the video. If you did, please subscribe and I will see you soon. Bye guys.